Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel. And welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day. Thank you for supporting to my channel, and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please keep in mind that the energy of this reading could be reversal. And I would like to advise you to use your own discernment. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the Nine of Cups. This is the current situation. We also have the Four of Wands. This is the challenge. The spiritual lesson is the Two of Wands. The past is the Sun. We also have the Knight of Swords. This is the present situation. The future is the Magician. Your attitude is the Five of Swords. Outside influence is the Justice. The Moon is the hopes and fears. The outcome is the Chariot. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. If this is not your story and not your energy, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? The first foundation of your reading, which is the current situation, is the Nine of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces or a fellow water sign. Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. It could also be that you are attracting a fellow water sign. For most of you, this is your energy. I feel like your wishes is coming true. For some of you, it could also be that this is related to your emotional fulfillment. Or it could also be that you are contented of what you have in your life. Others of you, it could also be that this person or a group of people viewed you that you are living a hedonistic way of life. I mean, you are living a lavish life. Because for most of you, you are enjoying your freedom. You are living your dreams. It could also be that this person viewed you as their wish fulfillment. Could be that you are dealing or attracting a fellow water sign. Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Could also be that this person wants to celebrate with you, wants to socialize. And it could also be that this person wants to apologize. This person or this group of people could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For most of you, your wishes are coming true. And we have here, your challenge is the Four of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Or you have an earth sign in your birth chart, could be. Not necessary. Could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here couldn't let you go. Somebody here is holding back. Or it could also be that this person is holding back the grudges between you and them, or you are the one who are holding back the grudges with this person. I don't know. It could also be that for some of you, this is you are holding back your possession at work. Somebody here is being possessive and couldn't let you go. It could be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Could also be that this person wants to control your financial matters. Could also be that somebody here is being greedy. Money, greed, money, hunger, because this is Pentacles. This person couldn't let you go. Could be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or could also be a Pisces, because this is your previous card. Normally, the Nine of Cups is embodied the energy of a Pisces. And somebody here couldn't let you go. Could also be that this person viewed you as a wish fulfillment, or they viewed you as you have your wish fulfilled because you have financial success and you have also having an emotional fulfillment, or your wishes are coming true, and they knew it as well that your wishes is being fulfilled. And this person couldn't let you go. This person is being possessive, especially with financial matters. Could be that you are dealing with either a Pisces or normally a Capricorn, because the Four of Pentacles is embodied the energy of a Capricorn, but it could also be an earth sign or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story. Somebody has being possessive and couldn't let you go. And this is your challenge. And we have here the Two of Wands, which is again the Two of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Again, this is normally an energy of a Capricorn. Or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. For some of you, of course, not all of you, because this is not for all Scorpios. This is the spiritual lesson. You have learned your lesson from this person. Could be a Capricorn. You look, or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Could also be that this is related to financial matters. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are maintaining the balance of your life, both financial and physical aspects. Others of you, it could also be that you are juggling with financial matters. For some of you, it could also be that you have an internal struggle with this person. And you want to have a flexible and adaptability in your surroundings. And that's why you are trying to maintain the balance of your life. You look, could also be that this person viewed you that you have a balanced life. Because I feel like somebody here couldn't let you go. Could be that this person needs your support, especially financially. Could be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or a Pisces. I don't know which is your energy here. This is the spiritual lesson you have learned from this person in the past. This could be related to financial matters. It could also be that this person betrayed you with financial matters. I don't know which is your story here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is the spiritual lesson. And we have here the Sun. This is the past situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Not necessary, could also be any other sign. For most of you, this is your energy. You choose to heal. And there is growth, prosperity, healing, and illumination here. Could also be that you are dealing with this person. This person could be hiding secrets from you. And whatever they hide in the dark will come into light. It could also be that there could be a children involved here, because this is a Leo, the Sun. And Leo is the house of children in astrology. Could be that there is a children involved here. For most of you, this is your energy. After all the devastated chaos and havoc situation in your life, you have found the light at the end of the tunnel. This is like the vibrancy of summer shining into your life. Your life is stunning. Your life is flourishing. There is joy, hope, and prosperity here. You have also an assured success. And you have too many illuminations here as well. Those people who are keeping secrets on you, now you have seen the truth, and you also knew what are their intentions towards on you. Others of you, it could also be that you are going to give birth to a newborn child, or somebody in your family is going to give birth to a newborn child, or you are going to give birth to a new ideas. Congratulations. But this is more on positivity. Yeah. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Leo wants to heal the trauma, the conflict, the grudges between you and them. This person could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. The person involved here who wants to heal the grudges, the conflict, the trauma between you and them are the Leo, the Capricorn, the Pisces, and or the earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Could also be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? The universe advises you here to protect your energy, because I feel like there are people who couldn't stand your aura because your light is shining bright. They want to harvest your energy. These are the people who are frenemies and haters. So protect your energy, because this is your energy. Your light is shining bright. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Knight of Swords. This is the present situation. You see? They have seen you that your light is shining bright. You are vibrancy. And this is the next card. Somebody wants to approach you. This could be a confrontation. This person is a reckless, impulsive, and immature person. Could be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. But the Knight of Swords is normally embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart, or you are dealing with an Aquarius. I don't know which is your energy here. This is the present situation. Somebody here is raging to communicate with you. Either an Aquarius or a Leo, because this is the previous card. And there could be a correlation between the previous card, which is the Leo and the Aquarius, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Somebody here is raging to communicate with you, and be very careful because we are still in Mercury retrograde, the planet of communication. There could be a misunderstanding, hurtful words or grudges will happen here, miscommunication, misunderstanding. The universe advises you to be very strategic, to think first before you act in handling the situation. For some of you, this is your energy. You are jumping off to a certain new ideas because you believe that you have knowledge and you know the technique on how to work with it. I don't know which is your energy here. The universe advises you to be very careful, especially in communicating with this person. Either an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or a Leo. This is the previous card. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and we have here the Magician. This is the future. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Virgo or a Gemini, or you have a Gemini or a Virgo in your birth chart. Not necessary. Could also be any other sign. I feel like, you look, your previous card is somebody is raging here to communicate with you. This could also be a communication because Virgo and Gemini, ruling planet is Mercury. And Mercury is the house of communication. Either this person, Gemini, Virgo, or Aquarius, or an air sign, wants to communicate with you. Be raging to communicate with you. I don't know. Be very careful and be strategic. For most of you, this is your energy. You have everything under your control because you are supported with the 4 elements: water, air, fire, and earth. Everything you manifest is in front of you. All you need to do is to take an action, to believe in yourself, to trust the magic of the universe. Because if you don't take an action, your manifestation will remain as an illusion. You are advised as well not to waste your power, especially with this person who wants to communicate with you, either a Gemini or a Virgo. Could also be that this person wants to manipulate you, to trick you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, or this person is manifesting you. I don't know which is your energy here. Be very careful in communicating nowadays because of the Mercury retrograde. Take only what fits in your story. For some of you, you are not communicating with this person. You cut off the ties because I feel like this person messed you up. And that's why somebody here raging to communicate with you. Either an Aquarius, a Gemini, or a Virgo. Could also be that this person, what do you call this, did magic on you. So abracadabra, or did, what do you call this, black magic, a love spells in order to manipulate you. Could be a hypnotize. This person wants to communicate with you. Maybe this person wants to hypnotize you. Maybe this person is engaging you in what do you call this, in a black magic. I don't know. Somebody here wants to communicate with you, either to trick you or this person is manifesting you. This is the future. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the 5 of Swords. This is your attitude. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. But the 5 of Swords is normally embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Double confirmation. The Knight of Swords. Could also be any other sign or a group of people. I feel like for most of you, you are learning to pick your battles wisely because this is your attitude. And I feel like this person or group of people are feeling defeated because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. These are the people who are gossiping about you, spreading lies and rumors about you. They slandered your name. They want to destroy your reputation. They want to engage you in drama and conflict. Could be that you are dealing with a group of people, or you are dealing with a Gemini, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Or normally this is the energy of an Aquarius. Double confirmation. Could also be that these are the group of people, and the fact is only one person is, what do you call this, is jealous of you. This person wants to attack you, and this person is collaborating any other group. That's why it becomes Five of Swords. They are spreading lies and rumors about you, and this group who are low vibes, who have low self-esteem, believing what this person told them about you. The fact is only one person hate you, and this person conniving with other groups. This could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. But remember, the Five of Swords is embodied energy of an Aquarius, and the Knight of Swords as well. And I feel like they are now feeling defeated. It could also be that this is your energy. They are still bothering on you. Could be that this person or group of people are still, they want you to engage. They want to find ways on how to engage you in conflict. And the universe advises you to surrender this person or group of people, especially if they are still bothering on you. Because I feel like somebody here wants to attack you. This person is so mad because you cut off the ties. You are no longer communicating with them anymore. And aside from that, you give this person a silent treatment. For whatever reason, you are tired and sick with their BS, with their gossips. They are trying to destroy your reputation. I don't know who is this person. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. And now, since you are no longer engaging your energy to them, they are angry. They want to attack you. It could also be that you have a mental struggle with this person or a group of people. It could also be that you have seen this group of people and then you are asking yourself, should I trust them back? Because you have bad experience with this person or group of people. You are skeptical if you trust them back or if you are going to communicate them back. I don't know which is your energy here. But I feel like for most of you, you'll learn to pick your battles wisely. You are no longer engaging with this person or group of people because you are tired and sick with their lies and manipulation. And this is your attitude. If you are struggling with this person or group of people mentally, the universe advises you to surrender because you cannot control everything. If you are going to surrender your battles to the universe, to the Divine Most High, to the Lord God, rest assured that you have a clean and clear victory. And that's why this is to surrender. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Justice. This is the outside influence. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Could also be a person who has an authority, for instance, a lawyer, or a person who is working in the court, not necessarily a Libra. For most of you, it could also be that this is your energy. This is the cause and effects. The universe take over because I feel like these people misjudge you in the past. Your previous card is the Five of Swords. They are spreading lies and rumors about you, which is not true. And there are people who are believing as well. Especially those people who have a low vibes, a low self-esteem that can easily manipulated with a person who is hateful on you. And now, you receive a justice, the truth, the clarity, and the honesty, the fair judgment. It's because I feel like the universe takes over your battles. Because for most of you, you surrendered your battles. Here, look, this is your previous card, the Five of Swords. This is the cause and effect. I feel like there are people now who are receiving their bad karma for what they have done to you. Especially those people who are ruining your reputation, gossiping lies and rumors about you, tried to destroy you. And they are now receiving the bad karma for what they have done to you because the justice is in your favor. I feel like this person or group of people are now awakened of who you are. Because I feel like this is only one person who is, what do you call this, strongly hated on you, and the other people are just manipulated with this person. Yeah. That's why it becomes a one group, because this is the Five of Swords, not only one. And now your justice is here. For some of you, it could also be that this is related in the court, the law and order, the litigation in the court. For instance, an inheritance or a divorce, documents which is in the court, or any other kind of problems related to the court. Rest assured that the justice is in your favor. It could also be that the truth and clarity will come out. Because there are people who misjudged you in the past. You look. They slandered your name. They want to try to destroy you for whatever reason. Majority, they are envy and jealous of you. These are the people who are living the lives of other people. They are not happy with their own lives. Yeah. And they don't care with whom they are hurting. Hurt people hurt people. This group of people are only living in your life. They couldn't live. Instead of focusing on themselves, they are focusing on your lives. And nowadays, we must be very careful with whom we have connection, because not all people who calls your name is for you, is your friend, is your allies. There are lots of people now who are very manipulative, toxic, and narcissists. They want to control you without any reason because they viewed you as a strong person. You have something inside that this person or group of people wants to take away from you because you are strong. Your spirit irritates their demons. And that's why be very careful with whom you have access nowadays, because the world is too shady. This is the outside influence. This person or group of people are now seeing the truth of who you are. For some of them, they want to apologize you. They want to say, Scorpio, I'm so sorry. I misjudged you. Scorpio, I'm so sorry because this person is telling me like this, that you are like this, you are like that. And they are now awakened. They have seen the truth of who you are. For some of these people, they want to apologize, to ask forgiveness, and to reconcile with you. This could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. They have seen the truth of who you are. You look, they are feeling defeated. Take only what fits in your story and you will receive a good karma, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is the justice. We have here the moon. This is the hopes and fears. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces. Or you have a Pisces in your birth chart, not necessary. Could also be any other sign. Somebody here is afraid to tell or to reveal their secrets towards you. It could also be insecurities or vagueness, or this person viewed you as mysterious. Or it could also be that this person is confused. Why? You received your justice despite of their hidden agenda. Yeah. Because I feel like somebody here is hiding dark secrets from you. This person could be a Pisces, and now this person is confused why the Scorpio is receiving their justice. Why it didn't work? Because this person wants to confuse you. And this is your hopes and fears in this reading. This is your hope that you can accept whatever this person hiding from you. The fear is that this person having fear that if you knew what they did to you, you will not accept them back in your life. And that's why it could also be a fear or vagueness. Could also be that this person is confused. Why? You have received your justice for what they have done to you. They did everything to mark you down. You look, they ruin your reputation, everything. And they are keeping secrets on you. They are hiding something dark behind the scenes. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to listen to your intuition and to pay attention to your dreams. Because somebody here could be their secrets is going exposed, or it could also be that somebody here is scared on you because they doesn't want you to know their secrets. This person are now awakened of who you are. Could be that you are dealing with a Pisces, a Libra, or an Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And we have heard the outcome is the Chariot. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Not necessary. I feel like for most of you, this is your energy. You refuse the other people to control your own destiny. You refuse to give your key of your own destiny to other people. There will be a past movements here. And that's the reason why. Could be that you are going to travel, or you are going to relocate. It could also be that somebody wants to travel towards on you, or to relocate nearer on you. There will be a past movements here of success and victory, because this time you are the one who drive your own chariot, because you refuse the other people to control your own destiny. This is, you take back your power. You are heading towards success and victory because you have an inner will and an inner strength. Could also be that this person in the past viewed you as a weak person. You know why? Most Scorpios are misunderstood because of our compassion, our generosity, and our kindness, and they treated them as our weakness. Could be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. This is the outcome, and I love this card for you because this is victory. And aside from that, you refuse to give the key of your destiny to other people. They tried, but they failed. You look, they tried, but they failed because the universe takes over and give you the justice. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And clarify me, please, why the Five of Swords here? Tell me more about the Five of Swords in this reading, please. Show me the cards that I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The Five of Swords is clarified as Sextile, Chance, and Gelegenheit. This is a German language astro card, which means chances and opportunity. For some of you guys, it could also be that somebody here wants to communicate with you. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And this person viewed you as an opportunity, or this person wants to have another chance with you. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. But normally this is the energy of an Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, the justice in this reading. Why the justice here? Please tell me more about the justice here. The justice is clarified as Sun, nature and personality. This is a German language astro cards. This is Sonne. Sonne is a sun. Wesen and Persönlichkeit is nature and personality. And this is the clarification of the justice. For some of you guys, whatever this person hiding in the darks on you, you look, the moon. I feel like it will come into light because this is the justice. The truth will come out about this person who embodied the energy of either a Leo or a Libra. Because the justice here is in your favor. Whatever lies, manipulation, trickery they hide from you, it will come into light. Because the justice here takes over. And this is in your favor. It could be that somebody here wants to heal the trauma, the grudges, the conflict between you and them. Either a Libra or a Leo. It could also be that there will be a children involved here. Because the sun is embodied the energy of Leo. And Leo in astrology is the house of children. Either you are dealing with Leo or a Libra. And they wants to heal. They wants to make peace with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be that you have here conflict, misunderstanding, or grudges. I don't know. But also that this person who embodied the energy of Libra or Leo wants to harvest your energy because your light is shining bright and they couldn't stand your aura. And aside from that, they hate that you have justice. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, clarify me please. Why the Chariot here? Tell me more about the Chariot. I love this card. I love this reading. There are twice the sun appeared in this reading. Uranus. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either an Aquarius or a Cancer. Because this is the clarification of the Chariot. Uranus is one of the ruling planet of an Aquarius. This is changes and new beginning. Uranus, Veränderung is changes and Neubeginn is new beginning. This is a German language astro card. Could be that this person wants to travel towards you or wants to win over you. This person is willing to change. Veränderung is changes, or there could be changes in this relationship will happen. Could also that this person wants to be in the new beginning of your life too. Because somebody here wants to have another chance on you. Chances. Because this person viewed you as an opportunity. Could also be that this person is an opportunistic person. Either you are dealing with Cancer or an Aquarius. And there could be an unusual change here. And there could be a new beginning, or this person wants to be the part of your new beginning, a fresh start. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please. Why the Nine of Cups here? The Nine of Cups is clarified as transformation and geheimes. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio or a Pisces. Could also be that this person viewed you as their wish fulfillment. It could also be that this person viewed you as a mysterious person. Because you managed to transform that painful situation in your life. Could also be that this is a new person. And could be that you are the wish fulfillment of this person. Could be that you are dealing with either a Scorpio or a Pisces. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay, clarify me, please. Why the Magician here? The Magician is clarified as Jupiter, ideal and wide. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Pisces, a Virgo, or a Gemini. Because Jupiter is one of the ruling planets of a Pisces, or could also be a Sagittarius. Either you are dealing with either you are dealing with Sagittarius or an Aquarius. No. Sagittarius and or Pisces, because Jupiter is one of the ruling planet of a Pisces and a ruling planet of Sagittarius. And this is the clarification of the Magician. Either you're dealing with Sagittarius, Pisces, Virgo, or Gemini. And this person wants to communicate with you. This person is raging to communicate with you. Either this person is manifesting you, or this person wants to trick you, because this is the Magician. So be very careful in communicating with this person. Be very strategic before you take an action. Pisces, Sagittarius, Gemini, or Virgo. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, please. Why the moon in this reading? The moon is clarified as opposition, Spanong on Gigin Satsi. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. You look. Could also be that you have lots of tension experiences with this person. Tension and opposing opinions. Could be that you have a conflict with this person. A Pisces. I don't know. Because this is Gigin Satsi is opposing opinions. Yeah. Tension and opposing opinions. This is the clarification of the moon. Or this person hiding secrets from you. And you have lots of tension and opposing opinions with this person. I don't know who's this person. Maybe you have conflict with this person because this person is shady. Yeah. Could be a Pisces. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please. Why the sun in this reading? The sun is clarified as 10th house, career on earthful. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Capricorn or a Leo. And this person wants to heal the conflict, the trauma between you and them. It could also be that this person is planning to dim your lights because they couldn't stand that you are successful in career. This is related to your career. This person could be a Capricorn or a Leo. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Until the next time, thank you for joining me here once again. I love you all. Bye.